To have two WhatsApp numbers on the same phone is possible. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. So let me show you. I already have an account on my phone. How do you add a new WhatsApp number? You will need to install an app. Just go to Play Store, find it and tap on it. Here on the search write WhatsApp Business and search it. Do not worry if you are not a business, it's okay. On the app, tap Install and wait. After the install is complete, just tap on Open. Now let's set up the new number. Write the new phone number. Tap on Next. Wait until the verification is complete. Now write at business name your name. Select any category that you want. Tap on Next. Your new number is ready. You can use this as you normally use WhatsApp. And now you have two numbers in the same phone that you can use with WhatsApp. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them on the comments area below.